I up and cry in my bedroom after I had dumped you a week prior.
Time and time again, Johnny has repeatedly tried to convince us in so many ways that this woman was the one assaulting him during their relationship. Well, just like what you just heard in that court recording, another undeniable piece of evidence confirming that she has indeed been lying about all of her claims against Johnny just hit the media, and everyone is going crazy about it.
It was after Toronto. This Toronto? I didn't kick you on the fucking plane.
I know, I said that was the only other time in our relationship.
Oh, okay.
Now, I know the court has already proven that she indeed defamed him, and did it with malice no less. But the fact that she filed for appeal still has some people confused about the whole thing. Well, here's all the confirmation you need. If you followed the trial, then you probably heard a lot of different claims from Amber about Johnny assaulting her at one point or the other. But one that was repeatedly brought up was when the actress had claimed he attacked her and kicked her on a flight. Well, in the words of Adam Waldman, that was nothing but a hoax, just like the rest of her claims. The news recently hit the media after a famous reporter on Instagram posted the video of Amber specifically confessing that Johnny never actually kicked her on the flight. For Amber's story, as soon as Depp stepped into the private plane, he began berating her about Franco. She said she got up and walked away, but Depp followed her. She stated that at one point, he slapped her. Then she said he later kicked her and that not one person on board intervened on her behalf. In her words, "I felt this boot in my back. I fell to the floor, and no one said anything. No one did anything. You could have heard a pin drop. I just remember feeling so embarrassed." However, Depp told a different story of the event. According to the actor's account, he denied that he drank excessively before getting on the plane, and said Heard initiated an argument and pursued him until he felt compelled to hide in a bathroom. Considering that this isn't even the first time the actor actually reported that Amber backed him into a corner, as it had happened in the past while they were still at his infamous penthouse, this was pretty plausible. And now, we've just confirmed from the newly released recording that the actress had actually been lying about that to the court all through the Virginia case. Bringing this news side by side with the fact that she literally just began appeal proceedings, I can say it is almost certain that this will come into play in the whole procedure for the sake of credibility, which is kind of the basis of most appeal cases. And after that happens, there's also a chance that Depp's team will simply use this confirmation by her that she had indeed lied to tear her case apart in the appeal, just like they did with the Virginia case. But I think it'll be worse here, because unlike the appeal where Johnny was at a disadvantage, here, the actor actually has the upper hand, because let's face it, the people know Amber is lying, so there's really not much left she can say to cover that fact. Speaking of people, this whole revelation was pretty big news on the internet, and I have to say, a lot of fans are just sick of Amber at this point, and they've been pretty chatty about their feelings towards her. One user wrote, "Amber Heard is an abuser and a liar. She is a vile and evil person. She tried to destroy Johnny, and she did for 6 years, but now the truth is continuing to show its ugly head. The repercussions are well deserved. There needs to be justice. It's a matter of time at this point. Considering everything she's put him through, this will probably only be the beginning of another end for her." That's it for now. See you on the next one.